I don't know why more people aren't talking about that Tower 28 Blur and Set. This is in shade Hermosa Honey. I'm prepped and ready to go. So let's try this baby out. Oh, look how smooth that is. Oh my gosh. Come on, Tower. Oh my gosh. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. The shade is also really, really nice. Come on. Right on top of my liquid blush. Oh, can you see the difference? Gotta tell me that you see a huge difference. Oh my gosh. Whoa. I like this so much. Finishing powders is just one of those things that like either make or break the makeup. I'm going with the powdered blush, a lipstick. Where has Tower 28 Blur and Set been my whole life? I don't know why more people aren't talking about this. This thing, chef kiss.